So the stage is set for Andhra Pradesh swearing in. 11:27 a.m. specifically is when the oath ceremony will begin. Chandrababu Naidu set to be sworn in as Chief Minister, basically returning to the Chief Minister position, along with his deputy and Janasena Chief Pawan Kalyan. Naidu has earlier served as Chief Minister for 9 years. It was in undivided Andhra Pradesh from 1995 to 2004. Then as a Chief Minister, even after the bifurcation, this was recently 2014 to 2019. So who all are likely to be present at the swearing-in ceremony? Dignitaries like Home Minister Amit Shah, of course, along with Health Minister JP Nadda, who arrived in Vijayawada last night. They've met the family members already and they will be at the ceremony as well. They met Naidu at the residence in presence of other family members as well. But apart from that, not just politicians, celebrities from the film industry are also likely to make a presence. Superstar Rajinikanth will be in the city for the ceremony. Chiranjeevi will be there. But Chiranjeevi is also Pawan Kalyan's brother. So that's also one of the factors here at that swearing-in ceremony in Vijayawada.
Gear up for a star-studded swearing-in ceremony in Andhra. India Today has scooped the invite list and the red carpet is being rolled out for the who's who of Tollywood. At the very top of that list is superstar Chiranjeevi, or megastar as he is fondly called. He will be attending the oath-taking as his brother Pawan Kalyan in all likelihood will take oath as Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra. Pawan Kalyan, soon after the resounding mandate for his party, met with his elder brother in Hyderabad, and the video of the family meet, which also featured Ram Charan, won hearts. Pawan Kalyan's nephew Ram Charan will also attend the swearing-in. Again, not a surprise considering he also campaigned for his uncle. Allu Arjun has also been invited for the oath-taking, and it will be interesting to see if he attends the mega event as he had campaigned for his friend, a YSRCP candidate in Nandyal. The other interesting name in the invite list is Junior NTR. His family has got a lot at stake in this swearing-in, but it remains to be seen if the superstar will turn up, as he's consciously stayed away from taking any political stand. Besides these Tollywood big guns, superstars like Rajinikanth, Mohan Babu have also been invited. Politics and films are inseparable in Andhra, and that's evident in the invite list. Bureau Report, India Today.
The focus has been on Chandrababu Naidu here specifically. Remember, some also call him the CEO of Andhra Pradesh. In many ways, because the architect of Cyberabad or developing Hyderabad city, he has been able to get the credit for it. Even Bill Gates was impressed by the contribution and work done by Chandrababu Naidu. He was even called South Asian of the Year in 1999. What will be up the sleeve for Chandrababu Naidu for now a bifurcated Andhra Pradesh as he returns as Chief Minister?
Chandrababu Naidu, in his first 2 terms as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, earned the nickname of being the CEO of the state. Postgraduate in economics, Chandrababu's functioning as the Chief Minister in the late 90s was very corporate in style that relied more on performance and tangible economic growth rather than traditional vote bank politics. It was reflected in the growth of the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. It transitioned from being the Nizam city to a cyber hub of modern India, with the growth of Hyderabad Information Technology and Engineering Consultancy, or High-Tech City, also known as Cyberabad. Situated towards the northwestern region of Hyderabad, High-Tech City is a major high-tech business district. all thanks to Chandrababu Naidu, who impressed Bill Gates and ensured Microsoft to locate its India Development Center in Andhra Pradesh. His efforts were recognized globally, earning him several accolades, including being named South Asian of the Year by the Time magazine in 1999. Today, Hi-Tech City is one of the leading IT, health informatics, bioinformatics and engineering hubs of India, the foundation of which was laid in the first 2 terms of Chandrababu Naidu as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In the decade that Chandrababu Naidu spent in the opposition bench, Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated and Telangana was born, with Hyderabad as the common capital. Post-bifurcation, when Andhra Pradesh needed to plan its new capital city, the TDP Supremo in his 3rd term proposed development of Amravati. He faced strong opposition, and when he lost power to Jagan Mohan Reddy, led YSRCP in 2019, everything stalled. In his 3rd term as the Chief Minister of bifurcated Andhra Pradesh, he also launched several programs like Smart Village, Smart Ward to transform rural Andhra Pradesh, all in continuation to his CEO style functioning as the Chief Minister of the state. Andhra Pradesh has once again voted Chandrababu Naidu to power, hoping that he finishes the work started a decade back and lessens the gap between the rural-urban divide in the development of the state. Bureau Report, India Today.